This is my video on my Blade 350 QX2. It is on the front page of Multirotor Pilot, November 2014. This is how I purchased it, with the stock GoPro mount, and I have my Hero 2 camera on the bottom of it. The short legs has it quite close to the ground, so I needed to make a little change on it. It is currently 4 1/16 inch off the ground from the center to the ground. And here is my transformation. First off, we'll flip it over. We'll remove the camera from its protective case and get it ready for the gimbal mount. The legs need to be longer to handle the new camera, the gimbal that's going to go on here. And this is my China Gimbal that I purchased for $50. So first off, we'll start by taking the front bracket off here, which worked fine, except I was ready for a different type of mount. I have it secured with copper wire so it doesn't come apart on me. This is the bracket that I've fabricated for the front of this copter here. This is a QX2, and you can tell because it has a white battery cover. The QX1, or just the QX, has a red cover, and on the QX, the regular one, has a flat spot here that you could mount your bracket, but this bottom here is concave this way. So I had to make a new bracket out of the GoPro plate that came with the camera, cutting it and making it fit on here, making sure that I avoided the holes so if I needed to take it apart. So we'll start off by taking out the screws. Removing the compass. And removing the wire. Removing the antenna and then the leg. We'll install that on there. We'll bring this compass wire on there and mount the legs on. Everything's pretty much just fits right on there with no problem. And then the compass fits right here. You need to make sure these screws are very tiny, easy to strip, so when you put this back on, you just barely put any pressure on it. This mount here is a GoPro mount, so now we can use any one of the GoPro snap-in fittings and snap it in. I have this plate riveted in place so it's not going anywhere, and I have a washer on the inside to make it stronger. This is my China Gimbal, which fits in place and easily removed. With the new legs on there, we are sitting at 6 3/4 inches tall, which is considerably taller. The China Gimbal for $50 is a good price. Worked very well, and that's the way it goes on there. And then fits on here. And you can see it lights up, straightens itself out, and works fine. If we want to test to see how far she tilts, That's about 30 degrees right there, and then begins to hit. "45 degrees, it still handles the angle very well. This is pretty level, actually plumb, straight up and down. And comes up 45 degrees, but it probably sees the propellers. So with the camera in place, it's very stable. And works like a charm. I'm going to take some pictures flying it around